Hi, this is Edith, Educational Technologist at Oregon Tech, and in this video I am going to go over the Design tab. So what the Design tab does, allows you to change theme color themes. So if you want your document to look different, you can use one of these themes here. And these title, the formatting will, these subtext here will change colors and fonts as you go through, and you can see as I pick a theme, it changes along the way. Another part I can do is I can also change the theme colors. So while I like the theme, maybe I want to do something different. So let's say I want this one here, and I don't like the color scheme, and I would prefer something with more purples or something. You can also change your fonts, and you won't see any changes happening in the document right now. You can actually set this up beforehand, but for my purposes, I'm using an older document just so that I can kind of show you how these things change. So you have the different types of fonts. You will have to select everything. So how you would do that is you can go select and then select all, and then come back to your design and then be able to change your fonts if that's what you choose to do. And so you can see that my fonts did change, and now the theme hasn't changed or the colors haven't changed because I haven't changed my style yet, but we'll get to that in a minute because that's kind of the last here. You can also change your paragraph settings, and then a shortcut key, if you want to know how to shortcut onto this, should be able to be, it looks like Control A. So if I'm still in design view and I don't want to jump back to the home view, I can do Control A, and that selects everything for me. So that's a nice thing that perhaps you didn't notice, is sometimes if you hover over, like I did in home, if you hover over, it will tell you what the shortcut keys are. So if you're somebody who uses a lot of shortcut keys, this is a good feature for you to know. Effects, you can change the effect of the document. And it might look different when you do that. Again, I don't have everything set up yet because I'm going to go back to the styles, or you can set it as the default. So just be aware, if you do this, this is going to save your current settings so that every time you create a blank document, it will be formatted this way. So only set it if that's the way you want all of your documents to look. The watermark, again, you can put in a watermark. It's kind of a good thing to do, especially if you're doing a draft. I can put that in there, and then it shows up as a watermark of draft. You can also put in a custom watermark. Maybe I want it to say my name. So I can, change it here and make it Edith's copy. And say okay, and now you can see that it changed to Edith's copy. So that's a way of just making sure that you have something to prove that it's yours if you want to do that, or if you just want a draft copy. I'm just sending this off. It's just a draft. It's nothing that's going to be sent out yet. When I'm ready, I'll remove it. Page borders, you can do a page border. Say I want purple. It doesn't do just, oh, that's the page color. I apologize. So, you can change the color of the paper. And then page borders. This is where you can actually do a border and say okay. And you can also change, you can apply it to the whole document, just a portion of the document. And then you have other options that are available here. This is just how thick, or this is not how thick it is. It is the where you want it to start on the margin. And you can say okay. You can also select the type of border you would like. You can make a custom border. I don't use borders very often, but if it is something that you want to do, you can also fill in the colors. Say, I want to fill, or you can, choose a pattern and say okay, and then you could kind of see how it changes. There's the border that I created. It's very small, but you can always change it, like I said. But let's go ahead and do the select all, so Control A, and I'm going to go back to home, and you can see now my styles have changed, and this works in collaboration with the design tool of the titles. So I can actually select all and change my heading to look like, change it to that style. And you can see now that my color came through because that's what I chose here. My color's here. But what if I want to change the colors again? Now I can change them because it recognizes that I've done something different here. So it's a very fun feature. I don't know how often people would use it. Just be aware that it's available here. If you're somebody who likes to get into the total formatting of a Word document, this is where you would do it. So I'm going to leave it at that. If you have any other questions, comments, feedback, please get in touch with me, edith.warden@oit.edu, extension 51730, or Skype me, find me in the directory, Edith Warden. And if there's something that I didn't cover, please don't hesitate to contact me and I will go over it with you as best as I can. Thank you and have a great day.